very lax.
He's not flying a plane, he's on autopilot.
We're sure you can't wait to enjoy your holiday, but for now, you must stay seated and buckled up until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign.
When you do get up to go, please make sure you've got your phone, passport, keys and all other valuables. Anything left behind will be handed to our ground team here. Take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight. Just so you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
Our friendly customer helpers are all ready and waiting to help you. You can't miss them. They're wearing our famous red uniform and, of course, a big welcoming smile. You can now use your phones, but larger devices must stay switched off. If you're on a Jet2 holiday, your arrival transfer information is now available in our app, but we'll also send it by SMS.
Thanks for flying with us today, and from all of us, have a lovely holiday.